Welcome to present and our critical global and regional topics including global divides, the global south, and Asian regionalism. So, in Asian integration, Tuesday highlight challenges and opportunities shaping our interconnected world. And let's begin.
Global divides, economical and political and social disparities between regions have widened due to historical factors like colonialism and modern challenges such as globalization. Developed nations enjoy higher GDP and better infrastructure, while developing nations struggle with poverty, inequality, and system barriers. These divides impact global trade, diplomacy, and development. Bringing the gap requires solutions like equitable trade policies, investment in innovation, and sustainable development initiatives.
Section 2. Global South. The Global South represents developing nations facing unique challenges such as poverty, climate change, and political instability. Despite these countries in the Global South contribute significantly, especially in renewable energy and cultural diversity. International organizations like the UN and the World Bank play pivotal roles in addressing this issue through and funding success stories like ICT sector.
And now, let's talk about the Asian regionalism. Asian regionalism in Asia promotes economic growth and collaboration. Major players like China, Japan, and India drive initiatives like the Broad Advance in Technology and Digital Operations. Organizations like ASEAN and SARSC enhance trade, security, and cultural enhance. However, challenges such as geographical tensions and economic persist, and still regionalism present opportunities.
Section 4. ASEAN Integration. ASEAN aims to strengthen political security, economic, and socio-cultural ties among its member nations. Benefits include enhanced trade, shared cultural identity, and regional security. Challenges like digital transformation and climate change require adaptive policies. ASEAN continues to evolve, addressing emerging global issues, fostering collaboration for sustainable future.